𝗀𝗵𝗲 self-lifting stacker. Look at its maximum fork height. Let's see how they operate. Start the engine by turning on the switch. Press the top button to uplift the fork. Press the bottom button to put down the fork. To move your stacker onto the lorry, adjust the height of the stacker, then pull out the guide rail. Press the bottom button to lift up the stacker. Then push the guide rail back to its position. To remove the stacker from the lorry, move the stacker backwards. Then, pull out the guide rail. Next, press the top button to move the stacker down. Keep the guide rail back to its position. There you go. It's as convenient as it seems.